Chrome not loading in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, tap on the settings of your device and make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. And if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, open up your Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have the latest version of Google Chrome over here. So let's search for Google Chrome and just ensure that you have the latest version of the Google Chrome application. As you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Google Chrome application. After that, go back to your home screen and then make a long press on Google Chrome. Then tap on App Info, and as you tap on App Info, all you have to do is tap on Clear Data option at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and then tap on Clear Cache. Then tap on OK. After that, go to the app permissions and toggle on all these options that are required for the Google Chrome proper effective use over here. After that, go back and your problem might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.